Hello everyone. Uh, my name is Sandeep Regmi. Here you can see my LinkedIn Learning profile page. You can see here there are two different organizations right now I'm working for. Professionally, I'm working for the company Walmart, and for my education background, I'm associated with Fox Valley Technical College. Now I'm just going to show different section of my experience, skill, education section in my LinkedIn learning profile. Here you can see my profile strengths. It's showing above the intermediate and in between all star and intermediate ratings. Here I have short description of what I'm about and in which organization I'm working in. So you can see here and what is my goal is about. When you go little bit down, then you can see here activity section. When you see or go to the activity section on my profile, you can see various courses that I have already completed through LinkedIn Learning. So here you can see course related with different stuff of the networking. Now I just want to go again to my profile section. Also, when you come down after that, you can see my experience. Uh, it is my experience at the Walmart. I worked there as a form of personal shopper, overnight team associate, and then cab one team associate, and now working for deli and bakery team associate. Talking about my experience with this company, I had a great time working for this company. Basically, I'm getting a flexible schedule for my school and work and doing all the homework kind of stuff. Every people at my workplace is so much inspiring and helpful. So this company I can take as a safe and peaceful place to work and to make our bright future. Also, when you come little bit downside, then you can see uh, I'm learning IT network specialist from Fox Valley Technical College, and it is a associate degree where I got or I have 3.85 GPA right now. Also, along with it, I've also associated with one of the honor society called Phi Theta Kappa, which is one of the inspiring and motivative society for involvement in various productive activities. Also, I have mentioned some of the skill that I have from my educational work. So you can see customer handling skills, skill related with the data management. Also, skill of remote support to the clients, and also in order to keep all the confidential information of the customer and company, how we have to deal with various situation kind of stuff. And now I want to show you the license and certification that I got from this LinkedIn Learning. Here you can see various courses that I have completed from the LinkedIn Learning. So it is related with troubleshooting of network connectivity, and also related with the uh, various beginning tools of how to know about the work arc and that kind of stuff. Now you can see I have added different things like skill that I have from my education and work point of view, like troubleshooting, communication, customer service, also network administration, Python, and management, and all, none other than remote user support. And here you can see the red followers are one of various organizations that I'm associated with, such as Walmart and Fox Valley Technical College. So this is my short portfolio of the my LinkedIn learning profile. Hope you like it. Thank you.